Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the exact Rongta model, so you fetch the right driver and settings. Once done, plug in the power and switch the unit on to observe the LED indicators for normal boot. You should position the printer near your laptop or network port, and make sure you have the correct cable type: USB-A, Ethernet, or the Bluetooth pairing button accessible. Doing this first speeds installation and avoids driver mismatches that cause connection failures later on. You next install the official Rongta driver for your operating system. This provides the printer language and port mapping so prints render correctly. Once the driver is installed, connect USB directly for plug-and-play or plug Ethernet and assign a static IP or DHCP reserved address so the device stays reachable. If using Bluetooth, put the printer into discoverable mode and pair from your computer or mobile. Make sure the driver port matches the connection type. These steps ensure the OS recognizes the printer and sends data correctly. You finish by setting the Rongta as your default printer and sending a test print or self-test to confirm alignment and density. This validates both connection and driver settings. Once the test succeeds, adjust paper size, thermal density, and character encoding to match receipts or labels so the output is readable. If printing fails, check the cable, power, driver port, and any firmware updates. Also inspect the printer's error LEDs or logs. A common fix is
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.